Hi everyone, I found there were no videos on YouTube already for how-tos on the removal of a washer bottle from a Mercedes W124. This is a 1995 M104 engine, and it may be similar bracketing and setup for some of the other facelift W124s out there. There's not a lot to it. This is just going to be a very quick overview on how to remove this, so hopefully anyone out there looking to salvage a good one won't go breaking anything trying to pull this out. There's 3 bolts holding it in. There's one here, the second here, which is on a bracket holding the airbox down, and the third is a little lower. So to get to the access to that one, I'll show you what I did. I started off with removing the actual level sensor wiring plug here. So there's a little pinchable tabs, and then this one comes out. It was quite firm. I did need another helper, but that one unplugs, and same for the actual washer bottle motor. That one just unplugs as well. This first nut comes off quite easily. Again, if you've got a socket set, that'll do that. I apologize for the rain in case it's a bit tough to hear me, but once this top nut is undone, then you get access to removing the bracket that holds down the airbox. Pop that aside for safekeeping. I ended up undoing the clamps that hold the airflow meter and disconnected that back portion. So with a lot of these, not a lot to it, just a flat head will easily just loosen the clamp holding the airflow meter down. And there's a little metal clip that you can just unclip upward like that. Once that is disconnected there, I found what was easiest was really taking this top half off. You probably could get access to the third nut that sits there, but I found it was easier taking this top half off, so not a lot to it. Just taking these little flappy spring loaded retaining clips off. There's one here, the second here, and the third over here. A fourth final one hiding underneath at the back over there. Just make sure spiders don't get to you. And then this top half can come out. Oh, and just before we forget, the wiring plug for the airflow meter. This one just twists and releases like so. Beautiful. And we can then, the top half of the air filter comes off, and if you've released the clamps back here, you'll be able to remove this top half and the airflow meter altogether. Again, pop that aside for some safekeeping. Now we've got access to the final one, so now we can actually lift and maneuver the bottom half of this airbox to the side, and then we've got access to the final nut that's over here. So again, in summary, one nut, the second nut here, and then the third nut down here, and that's it. Then you'll be able to release this from its resting position. Beautiful. And either, if it's no good, chuck it in the bin. If it's good, salvage it, sleep with it, whatever you want to do. Thank you guys. That is my quick how-to video on a washer bottle replacement. Another slip for luck. Thanks guys, stay safe. Catch you next time.